Kia ora, another catch-up layout for 30 days of sketches with Christy's Beautiful Life, and today I'm using a sketch by Jennifer Gagne. I think I'm saying that correctly, I'm not certain, sorry if I am. At Kay's Mum is how you can find her, and I'll link that below as well. I am using a kit that I've put together for one of our scrapbook days down in Southland, which is sort of almost at the bottom of New Zealand but just not quite, and I've used the Close to My Heart Hey Handsome as well as the April, May, June mix-ins. As I pulled this together, I've used an embellishment kit or set, which is part of the Cassette collection. I've also got the Hey Handsome sticker sheet in this kit, as well as I think I pulled in some black stars and things like that. So it's an interesting wee kit. I do these sort of every 6 weeks or so for different groups that I'm part of. People seem to like them. So I keep doing them, and it's a great way just sort of to keep my brain thinking about different things and what other people might like to create, as well as covering some of my costs of my scrapbooking. So I'm a maker with Close to My Heart, and while I don't actually earn an income as such from it, I sort of do this as a hobbyist so that what I sell can hopefully cover the costs of some of the products that I use in my creating. So that's just sort of the way it works. If you are interested and you're based here in New Zealand, there is a really good maker special on at the moment. So if you're interested in doing something like I am, even if it's just to get cheaper scrapbooking products and things, it might be worth you having a look at becoming a maker yourself. I'll put my link below if you're interested. And basically you sign up, you pay a certain amount of money, but you actually get that same amount that you pay back in Close to My Heart cash, so you can then use it to buy Close to My Heart products. This finishes, I believe, at the end of June, so this is a time specific offer, I guess, and I don't normally use this platform to really push Close to My Heart stuff, but I do love using them, and it would be remiss of me to not give you the opportunity to enjoy the same benefits I do. Now, sadly, when I was recording this video, I must have been pressing record and not record at the wrong time, so you might sort of see some mixed up, muddled up pieces where you see things happening, but you see things done. So what I've put here is I've got a stamp up the top right. I had it placed there. I've stamped it a couple of times. It was a really cool graphic stamp that came in. So this is an optional extra that I offered people for the kit. I've also got some tears behind in the background on the sketch, and I've tucked in pieces of paper behind. So here is just a finished look at that layout. Sorry for the missed parts of the process, and thanks for watching.